Hi there, and welcome to a video about popular food in different countries in Asia. Let's start with the largest country in Asia, China. China has a diverse and rich food culture with a wide range of dishes and ingredients. Here are some popular Chinese foods. Dumplings, jiaozi. These are small pieces of dough filled with meat, vegetables, or seafood and then steamed, boiled or pan-fried. Hot pot, huoguo. A communal dish where diners sit around a boiling pot of soup, cooking various meats, vegetables, and seafood to their liking. Kung Pao chicken, Gong Bao Ji Ding. A spicy and savory stir-fry dish made with chicken, peanuts, vegetables, and chili peppers. Peking duck. A famous Beijing dish, roasted duck is served with thin pancakes, scallions, and a sweet bean sauce. Mapo tofu. A spicy Sichuan dish made with soft tofu, ground pork, and Sichuan peppercorns. Dim sum. A Cantonese style of food where small bite-sized portions of steamed, fried, or baked dishes are served in bamboo baskets. Fried rice. A staple Chinese dish made with steamed rice stir-fried with vegetables, eggs, and meat. Noodles. A wide variety of noodles are available in Chinese cuisine, including wheat noodles, rice noodles, and glass noodles served in soups, stir-fries, or cold dishes. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in China. And then Malaysia. Malaysia has a diverse culinary scene with a mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and other ethnic cuisines. Here are some popular Malaysian foods. Nasi lemak. The national dish of Malaysia, this is a fragrant rice dish cooked in coconut milk and served with sambal, chili paste, fried anchovies, peanuts, cucumber, and boiled egg. Sauté. Grilled meat skewers marinated in a mixture of spices, served with peanut sauce, cucumber, and rice cakes. Laksa. A spicy and tangy noodle soup made with rice noodles, fish or shrimp broth, coconut milk, and various herbs and spices. Roti canai. A type of flatbread served with a spicy curry sauce, usually eaten for breakfast or as a snack. Char kwai teo. A stir-fried noodle dish made with flat rice noodles, shrimp, Chinese sausage, eggs, and soy sauce. Hainanese chicken rice. A simple yet delicious dish of steamed chicken served with fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth and served with chili sauce and soy sauce. Rendang. A slow-cooked curry made with beef or chicken, coconut milk, and a blend of spices, resulting in a rich and flavorful dish. Teh tarik. A popular tea drink made with black tea and condensed milk, poured back and forth between 2 cups to create a frothy texture. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in Malaysia. The next country is Vietnam. Vietnam has a diverse and flavorful cuisine that features a mix of fresh herbs, vegetables, and spices. Here are some popular Vietnamese foods. Pho. A staple Vietnamese dish of noodle soup made with a beef or chicken broth, rice noodles, meat, and herbs. Banh mi. A popular Vietnamese sandwich made with a crusty French baguette filled with grilled meat, pâté, pickled vegetables, and chili sauce. Spring rolls, goi quan. Rice paper rolls filled with shrimp, pork, or vegetables and served with a dipping sauce. Bun cha. Grilled pork served with rice noodles, herbs, and a dipping sauce. Kham tam. A dish of broken rice served with grilled pork, fried egg, pickled vegetables, and fish sauce. Banh xeo. A crispy and savory pancake made with rice flour, filled with pork, shrimp, and bean sprouts. Bon bo hiu, a spicy and flavorful soup made with beef, lemongrass, and chili, served with rice noodles and herbs. Cha sie, grilled fish marinated in turmeric and served with vermicelli noodles, herbs, and peanuts. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in Vietnam. And of course, Thailand can't be missed in the list. Thailand has a vibrant and flavorful cuisine that is famous for its balance of sweet, spicy, salty, and sour flavors. Here are some popular Thai foods. Pad Thai, a stir-fried noodle dish made with rice noodles, shrimp or chicken, bean sprouts, eggs, and peanuts, served with lime wedges. Tom Yum Goong, a hot and sour soup made with shrimp, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, chili peppers, and other herbs and spices. Green curry, ging kiao, on a curry made with green chili peppers, coconut milk, chicken or beef, and vegetables, served with rice. Som tam, a spicy and tangy salad made with green papaya, tomatoes, peanuts, dried shrimp, and a chili lime dressing. Masaman curry, a rich and flavorful curry made with potatoes, peanuts, chicken or beef, and a blend of spices. Mango sticky rice, a popular dessert made with sweet sticky rice, fresh mango slices, and a coconut milk sauce. Pad Kra Pao, a stir-fried dish made with basil, minced pork or chicken, chili peppers, garlic, and soy sauce, served with rice and a fried egg. Tom Kha Gai, a creamy and fragrant soup made with chicken, coconut milk, lemongrass, galangal, and lime juice. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in Thailand. We go further with Philippines. The cuisine of the Philippines is influenced by Spanish, Chinese, Malay, and American cuisines, resulting in a diverse range of flavors and dishes. Here are some popular Filipino foods. Adobo, a national dish of the Philippines made with chicken or pork marinated in a soy sauce and vinegar mixture, then simmered until tender. Sinigang, a sour and savory soup made with tamarind, tomatoes, onions, and various meats or seafood. Lechon, a whole roasted pig stuffed with lemongrass and other aromatics, resulting in crispy skin and succulent meat. Lumpia, a Filipino version of spring rolls, usually filled with ground pork or beef, vegetables, and sometimes shrimp. Kare, a stew made with oxtail, beef, or pork, simmered in a peanut sauce with vegetables such as eggplant and bok choy. Pancit, a noodle dish made with rice noodles, vegetables, and sometimes meat or seafood. Halo, a popular dessert made with shaved ice, sweet beans, fruits, and various toppings, served with evaporated milk and sometimes ice cream. Chicken inasal, a grilled chicken dish marinated in a mixture of vinegar, calamansi, Filipino lime, and various spices. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in the Philippines. We are arrived to the last country, Japan. Japan has a rich culinary tradition that emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients and delicate flavors. Here are some popular Japanese foods. Sushi, a dish of vinegared rice topped with raw or cooked seafood, vegetables, or egg, often served with soy sauce and wasabi. Ramen, a noodle soup dish made with wheat noodles in a meat or fish-based broth, often flavored with soy sauce or miso. Tempura, a dish of battered and deep-fried seafood, vegetables, or meat, often served with a dipping sauce. Yakitori. Skewered and grilled chicken or other meats, usually flavored with a soy sauce-based marinade. Okonomiyaki. A savory pancake made with a batter of flour, eggs, shredded cabbage, and various fillings such as meat, seafood, or cheese. Udon. A thick wheat noodle served in a hot soup, often with various toppings such as tempura, vegetables, and egg. Tonkatsu. A breaded and deep-fried pork cutlet, often served with a sweet and savory sauce. Matcha. A powdered green tea that is whisked with hot water and often used in traditional Japanese tea ceremonies. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in Japan. Now we came to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.